The Alfred All-In-One Course is an excellent book for anyone who wants to learn how to play piano. I have used this book to teach students the basics of piano playing. It is intended for adults who wish to learn piano on their own without a teacher. It is not just a songbook, but a highly organized course for learning that combines theory, technique, challenges, and homework for the student. By the end, you will be able to identify notes, sight read, understand rhythm, and play some fun songs. One student of mine learned when she was young, but like many gave it up. She came to me for lessons in her 60s and decided to pick it back up. It really helped her get back into piano, but also filled in the gaps of her understanding. Another student I gave it to, also being in her 60s, being a total beginner, helped her tremendously and gave her confidence and the ability to play piano. The reason for such great success among adult students is the structure it has. It does a great job in describing the material, then following it up with actionable examples. The best way to use the book is to start from the beginning, because each new page builds upon the previous material, ensuring progression. It will not make sense if you are completely new to piano to start halfway through. It is a nice beginner piano course for not only adults in their 60s, but for anyone who truly desires to play piano. The age range I'd give is from young adults to elderly. Kids will struggle to effectively utilize the progressive nature of the book and will struggle to comprehend the theory and concepts presented in its pages. And lastly, it is great for anyone who is either unsure about committing to a teacher or simply cannot afford lessons. Say a piano teacher asks for $25 for 30 minutes, assuming a 4-week month that equals $1,200 a year. It certainly adds up. I certainly don't point that out to deter anyone considering piano lessons. It's how I make most of my living, because in-person instruction is ideal. But we don't live in a perfect world, and we all have bills to pay and lead busy lives. $16.95 on Amazon is worth the small investment that can yield dividends, so to speak. Like with starting anything new, however, it requires the student to stick to it and not give up. One way I recommend using the Alfred Adult All-In-One Course is to plan for it like a real lesson. Pick a day and time of the week in which you will learn new material. For example, Wednesday at 4 p.m. is your piano lesson day, and for 30 minutes you will learn new material. Of course, this is just an example, and you will have to determine what will be best for your schedule. In the end, the Adult All-in-One Piano Course is great for anyone wanting to learn to play piano. Whether you are a busy full-time sales rep, a hard-working construction worker, or simply someone who wants to learn piano, the Adult All-in-One Piano Course is the choice for you. You can get your copy at nextpianostudio.com or by clicking the link in the description.